Putting together the weekly market report takes time because the data lives in so many different places. So when the time is done, you're already starting again for next week. Let's watch how ABX handles it with scheduled work. Once the schedule kicks in, ABX starts pulling everything together, organizing the work into the right steps and getting it approved automatically. ABX pulls from multiple sources, from equity index, news, and even updates from analysts. It'll then generate everything from the executive cover note to the weekly market report, all done within seconds. Even the emails are drafted for you, with clear strategic action points ready for execution. All you need to do is review and approve it, and let it send the updates to keep everyone in the loop. You only need to set it once and let ABX run automatically every week. Genie ABX, Autonomous Business Execution.